Are you tired of guessing which videos are actually getting views? Stop wondering and start knowing exactly what's working right now. So here's the thing I want you to understand first. Most creators upload a video and then just wait. They check back in a day, maybe 2 days to see how it did, but by then the momentum is gone. You're making decisions based on old data. And in my experience, the creators who grow the fastest are the ones who pay attention to what's happening in the moment. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the real-time analytics card in YouTube Studio and interpret your top-performing videos from the last 48 hours. All right, let's start. First, sign in to your YouTube Studio. You already know where that is. Just head to studio.youtube.com and log in with your channel account. Simple. Now, from the left-hand menu, select Analytics. You'll see this big, detailed dashboard open up. And I know it can look overwhelming at first, but trust me, the thing we're looking for is incredibly easy to spot. On the Overview tab, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a card labeled Realtime. This is your window into what's happening right now. Click See More, or just click into the card itself. Give it a second to load, and there you go. You're now looking at a live breakdown of your top-performing videos from the last 48 hours. Now, if you want to see what's happening even more recently, you can switch the view to the last 60 minutes. This is great for checking how a brand new upload is settling in. The difference is huge. 48 hours shows you trends. 60 minutes shows you the immediate punch. And here's the really important part. You need to interpret this data the right way. If you see a video spiking in the last hour, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a long-term winner. It could just be that someone big shared it or it hit a trending topic. But a video that's consistently appearing in your top performers over the full 48-hour window, that's a keeper. That's a video worth making a sequel to, or at least studying closely. You can also dive deeper by clicking into a specific video from this list. That will pull up the video-level real-time stats. You can see exactly how many views came in each hour, where those views came from, and whether the retention is holding up. It's like having a microscope on your content's first moments of life. Now, how do you actually use this to make better content decisions? Simple. If you see a topic or style that's catching fire in real time, create more in that vein. If a video is dead on arrival in the first 2 hours, don't wait a week to pivot. This is data-driven decision-making, and it changes everything. Also, you can refresh the real-time data by simply clicking the refresh button or reloading the page. The numbers update live, but sometimes you need to nudge them. One thing I want to address is the difference between real-time data and your standard YouTube analytics. Real-time data is great for immediate momentum, but standard analytics gives you the full picture over weeks and months. Use them together. Real-time tells you what's hot. Standard analytics tells you what's lasting. If you ever find that your real-time data isn't showing up at all, don't panic. It usually means your video is very new and the system is still processing. Give it 10 to 15 minutes and check again. Sometimes it just needs a moment to catch up. This tool works great for live streams too. When you go live, the real-time card will show you exactly how many viewers are tuning in at that moment. It's invaluable. Same goes for shorts. You can see which shorts are popping off in the first hour. And if you have members-only videos or premieres scheduled, the real-time data will track those as well. So, what are the best practices here? Check your real-time data once or twice a day, not every 5 minutes. Use it to spot opportunities, not to obsess over numbers. And always compare it against your historical data before making big decisions. All right, that's the full tour. You now have the power to see what's working right this second. Stop guessing, start knowing, and let the data guide your next move. Good luck out there.